What's going on, guys? So welcome back to the channel, and today I got a special treat for y'all. So we're going to be talking about a credit union that is better than Navy Federal, that is giving out $30,000 personal loans, $30,000 credit cards, and they also have 100% financing for homes and also 0% APR credit card that you can be able to qualify for 12 months for a balance transfer. And I'm guaranteeing that you probably guys have never ever heard about it. But I mean, as far as right now, what I showed you guys a little bit of, I give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek onto what credit union we're talking about. And today we're talking about AgFed Credit Union. Now, with this credit union, there's no sneaky loopholes such as Navy Federal, where you have to have a grandparent, a parent that's in the military. You don't even need any type of military affiliation to be able to go and register for this. But you do need to be able to have some stipulations because this credit union is based out of Washington, D.C., so let's get into it. So Navy Federal is great, but the thing is, you have to be able to have a military affiliation with Navy Federal in order to be able to get approved. Now, with AgFed Credit Union, it's not the same whatsoever. You don't need to be able to have a farm or a tractor trailer. So AgFed stands for Agricultural Federal Credit Union. Now, the technical membership right that you have to be able to go and actually qualify for, you do have to go and live or work in the Washington, D.C. area. But if that's not you, then you can actually still be able to qualify by being able to go and make a simple donation to their favorite organization that they currently have. Now, this organization is called FONA, which stands for the Friends of the National Arboretum. So this basically stands for trees, and all you have to do is go in and actually make a membership with this actual organization so you can be able to go and qualify for membership for AgFed Credit Union. So after you go ahead and become a member with FONA, all you have to do is be able to go and submit $5, and then you guys can be able to go and unlock access to high limit credit cards. So as you guys can see, right, $5 is going to be able to unlock $30,000 personal credit cards, $30,000 personal loans, and also 100% finance for your actual home. It's actually one of the main cheat codes that you guys can be able to utilize. So with AgFed Credit Union, they are part of the Visa Network series, right? They are a part of the Visa Platinum series, where they have a list of 3 different credit cards. So they do have a list of 3 different credit cards currently in their disposal. They have the Visa Platinum with rebates, right? This allows you to be able to earn cash rebates on every single purchase. Now afterwards, they do have a Visa Platinum, which actually allows you to be able to maximize your purchasing power, so you can be able to go and have a flexible line of credit. And then the other ones that they have, right, is going to be a Visa Classic credit card, which is a simple everyday card that you can be able to utilize, and it is accepted worldwide. And if you guys are rebuilding your credit, they also do have a Visa Secure credit card, which allows you to be able to go and rebuild your credit. So if I was anybody that needs to go ahead and actually restore and repair my credit, what I would do is simply go ahead and actually get a $500 or $1,000 and then go ahead and put it up for a secure credit card. I'd always recommend to have at least $1,000 because that way, whenever you go ahead and actually get that reported onto your credit report, the credit bureaus won't know if it's secured or not. So once a credit card is $1,000 or more, the credit bureaus cannot tell if it's a secure card or if it's an unsecured card. So this is going to be able to help you out a lot in the future. So for all my business owners, AgFed does not only just give out personal credit cards, they also give out auto and personal loans that can be able to go up to $30,000 for the personal loan, and the auto loans actually go up to 84 a month, which is 7 years. So if you have a great credit score, you can really be able to take advantage of this. So as far as the monthly payment on your current auto loan, you can be able to go and extend it. Let's say if you have a 60-month option, what I would do is simply go and extend it for an 84-month term. Let's say, for example, if you guys are doing Turo, or you guys are going ahead and renting out your cars to DoorDash drivers, you want to be able to go and actually have the most amount of cash flow possible. By being able to go and extend the term for how long the auto loan is financed, you guys can be able to go and lower your monthly payment and therefore keep more money in your pocket. Now, for every single auto loan and for every single type of personal loan, what I would recommend is to have at least a 700 plus credit score so you guys can be able to get approved for the best amount possible and also the best rates. So your credit score is really going to be able to determine what interest rate you get. So it's always best to have the highest one and be able to be a prime borrower. Now, if you guys aren't quite there yet, as far as the 700 plus credit score, I just dropped a new video on how to be able to wipe off anything off your credit report that's negatively reporting. Definitely go ahead and check it out right after this video. Now, here's where it even gets better, right? Is that not only do they have credit cards, personal loans, and also auto loans, but AgFed Credit Union does have a 100% home buyer mortgage, which allows you to be able to have no type of down payments whatsoever. Now, I know that a lot of people, whenever they go and apply for whenever they go apply for a home, most lenders will tell you that you need to be able to have at least 3.5% of your overall down payment, and that's to be able to go to cover not only your down payment but some of the closing costs. So you need to be able to have more than a 3.5%. Usually ends up to be anywhere from 5 to 10%. So with that being said, AgFed Credit Union has a 100% mortgage program, which you can come to the table with $0 down. And so you don't need to have 50K, you don't need to have $25,000. And the great part about this, right, is that they don't have any PMIs for some mortgages. Now, you know, a lot of different home buyers, the one thing that they hate, especially if you guys are doing FHA, which is the First Homeowners Association, this program, it requires for every single lender, to have a PMI. But now with AgFed Credit Union. So AgFed Credit Union has a no PMI, which is private mortgage insurance, which will go ahead and actually jack up your rates for your mortgage. So that's why you want to be able to go and actually utilize this and take advantage of this program. Because with 100% financing and no PMI, this really allows you to be able to save out hundreds and hundreds of dollars just on your mortgage alone. Now, here we go. This is going to be like one of the most parts where it's going to be very, very juicy, right? Every single person wants to know, well, Abu, who do they actually use for credit? Who do they pull from? They pull Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. Based off my conversations with AgFed Credit Union, they actually pull Equifax if you're in the DMV area. Now, they might go ahead and actually pull Experian based off of your state, so definitely keep that in mind. Now, really what I would do, right, is to make sure that you guys go ahead and freeze Experian and also TransUnion, because once they go ahead and actually submit your credit report, they'll go ahead and tell you which credit bureau they're going to be able to use. And if they need to be able to use Experian for some reason, or they need to be able to use TransUnion, they'll ask you to be able to go ahead and unfreeze it so you guys can be able to continue with the application. You want to make sure that whatever credit bureau they're pulling, you have the right data points in order to be able to get approved. Definitely freeze your Experian and definitely freeze your TransUnion, and then you go and apply, and that way they'll tell you exactly which credit bureau to use. With every single lender, you always want to make sure that you tell them exactly which credit bureau to pull. Don't ever let them tell you that. Instead, you should dictate that. AgFed Credit Union is one of those sleepers that most people really don't talk about. Now, they're not a second chance lender though. So, but the thing is, they're still a credit union and they still have to go and actually approve you based off of having good credit score. So before you ever walk in or apply for AgFed Credit Union, what I'd highly recommend is to be able to go and actually have a clean credit profile and also be able to go and build before you apply. It's always going to be worth it because now you're going to be able to have access to $30,000 personal loans, $30,000 credit cards, and also 100% mortgage financing, all waiting for you so you can be able to have the right data points so you can get approved. All right, perfect. So we just talked about the sleeper that most people don't talk about, right? Which is AgFed Credit Union. Now, majority of people are going to tell you about Navy Federal or Penn Fed. However, this does not require a military relationship whatsoever. So definitely go ahead and check out AgFed Credit Union. Make sure you guys go and submit your application. First, become a member with them, and then be able to have the right data points so you can be able to get approved. And what I want you guys to do is after you go and get approved with them, to go ahead and comment below your current approvals and also the limits. So that way, other people can be able to learn from your wins, and we can be able to keep on stacking together and be able to be one step closer to our financial goals. So without further ado, my name's all Boo. What I ask for you guys to do is to go and actually make sure to subscribe to this channel and get your boy to 10K subscribers as soon as possible. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to share it with as many people as possible. And like always, I'll see you at the top, my boy.